Hi, this is Charan, recently graduated from Qspiders College of Engineering and Technology in the stream of Computer Science. After graduation, I was very doubtful about the joining of the course and choosing the course. So later, my friend suggested me to join in the Qspiders Punjagutta, and I preferred it, and I joined in Qspiders Punjagutta in the month of May by choosing the course as software testing. In software testing, I learned manual as well as automation along with Java as well as SQL. So coming to courses, manual trained by Hemant sir, coming to SQL trained by Revan sir, coming to Selenium trained by Nandana. Actually, they taught very well. They also provided practical examples, also real world scenarios. Those trainings helped me a lot to crack the interviews and also to get rid of the fear. With the help of them, I cracked the interview and I got placed. Thank you very much for the team Punjagutta.